We got a Chevy with a belt squill. Little trick is you can squirt some water on the ribs. See if it goes away. So that rules out that a bearing's making noise. You could still have a pulley that has some play in it. We'll have to get some of this stuff off to check that out. So those, you pull the red clip up and then push down on the black part and it'll slide up. Scrounget's holding that in. Belt has decent tension. The grooves are pretty deep, so I recommend replacing the belt. We'll get it off and then we'll check the pulleys. See, that one's got play. See, barely, slightly moving. I'm gonna recommend replacing that one. Actually, it looks like there's a little bit of play. Can wiggle it slightly back and forth. It's got a separate stretch belt for the AC. Get this out of the way so I got a little more room. It's going to be tough to show you the stretch belt, but this tool goes on the crankshaft and the belt just slips off using that. You just gotta turn the crank and the belt will come off. Just wanted to show you the difference between, so you see how deep the grooves are on this and see how shallow and how much wider the ribs are. So this is worn out. This is the AC belt. So I'm glad I took it off. Alright, so tired of fighting it, so I'm going to take the fan shroud out. So there's a nut, a bolt, and then another bolt down here. I'm loosening to try to move these fillers out of the way. Get this bolt here. There's one there too. Always forget those. Alright, so to get this fan clutch off, you need one of these tools. This is a Lisle. So you put the, it's kind of tough to see, there's holes in the water pump pulley. You line them up and then you break it loose like so. Just need something to hold the pulley while you spin it loose. Here's a little tip. So you want to put it all the way over the crankshaft pulley and have it on the air conditioner pulley, because if you leave it hanging off this side, you'll never get it across all these ribs back onto the back. There we go. Here it snapped into place like a rubber band. Make sure it's in all the grooves. Use some snips. Got the zip tie. Alright, so tighten the fan clutch back down. You got your holder and your wrench. Make sure nothing's kinked. This big bolt goes down here.